So today we're going to do this winter's elf, and I'm using the BH palette 5th edition. I'm using this pinky coral color. This is gonna be my transition color. So right now I'm just building up color, more or less shaping my nose bridge and give a little bit of color. I don't know, I'm just winging it. So I'm making this little pointed corner and I'm not coloring the inside. I'm using this darker eyeshadow to kind of smoke out the outside and give myself a little deeper crease. So I'm just using the same eyeshadows to define my contour my cheeks. So I'm using the NYX space to kind of lay down where I want my white to be. And with the same palette, I'm just using the white and seeing that color. So now all I'm doing is giving myself a little bit of wings, and I'm using a liquid white liner to kind of point out my eyes and give myself an eyeliner. The eyeliner, I put it on top of the black. I'm putting a little bit of the same color on my nose as where the highlight should be, and I'm also using a highlighter, and that's the pink one from the Anastasia palette. I'm using the Marc Jacobs pencil and kind of smoke out the bottom of my eyes. I also put a little bit of white in the waterline, and I'm putting on falsies and then mascara as usual. So I'm starting to draw in some patterns, make the makeup look cuter. So I made the 2 lines and just dotted everywhere wherever I thought I needed it. I also did my lips and I highlighted them as well, just in the middle part. And then with the same Maroon Makeup White, I just lined down from my lip to the bottom of my chin. And that finishes my look. I hope you like my little elf look. See you next time. Bye.